MSMEs are crucial for our economy and they contribute a lot to the GDP. But often they are plagued with the insufficient working capital finance or neglected finance of the receivables. Recently, Parliament has passed the Factoring Regulation Amendment Bill 2020, and in this video I discuss about the salient features of the bill as well as the advantages and disadvantages of factoring for MSMEs. Watch the video. Factoring Regulation Amendment Bill 2020 was passed in the Parliament recently, and this is an amendment made to the original act made in 2011. As per the original act, only NBFCs having the principal business as factoring can take up the factoring business of MSMEs. Now the threshold limit was removed and more number of players are expected to participate in the factoring business of MSMEs. At present, there are only 7 NBFCs operating in this field of factoring. Factoring Regulation Amendment Bill 2020 salient features. Removal of threshold limit will enable many companies to act as factors to finance receivables of MSMEs. At present, there is only 2.6% of receivable finance out of the total finance extended to MSMEs, and this will substantially improve. The factoring companies will be provided with special MSME funding status, extension of credit insurance, wholesome finance by commercial banks, and these are the advantages to the factoring companies. Credit rating mechanism will be developed for receivables. RBI will strengthen control mechanism. Mandatory listing of all state and central government dues on TREDS platform. Traction will substantially improve in TREDS, Trade Receivables Discounting System. All factoring transactions are to be listed in Central Registry set up under SARFAESI Act. What necessitated this amendment? MSMEs are plagued with funds crisis and always they face liquidity problem. Financing receivables will be able to tide over the crisis. There is a lot of importance attached to MSMEs because there are 63 million MSMEs in India providing huge employment opportunities to the workforce. 45% of manufacturing comes from MSME, 40% of exports are from MSME sector, and they contribute nearly 30% of GDP. MSMEs are plagued with undue and prolonged delay of receivables, which affects cash flows and a crunch on working capital funds. Cost of funds will increase. MSMEs procure funds at higher rate than corporates. Sometimes the financial crunch leads to closure of MSMEs. Now this amendment may facilitate for higher factoring. Factoring is a financial service in which the business entity sells its bills receivables to third party at a discount in order to raise the funds to meet the liquidity of the unit. Advantages of factoring: working capital optimization, credit protection against bad debts, debtor insolvency and losses, high liquidity with increased bargaining power, smooth cash flow, more time to focus on core business, and important thing is factors check the clients, hence better quality buyers may be selected. Disadvantages of factoring: reduction of profit on all invoices due to discount. Factors may deal with good quality debtors only. Factors' behavior with the clients may affect the relationship. Receivables may not be available as security to avail loans. Some customers may prefer to deal with suppliers instead of factors.